Hello, we're here to tell you about Operation Pollination. But let me ask you a question. Do you like to eat?
I do like to eat. If you like to eat too, then we have a low-cost, easy-to-implement, and meaningful environmental framework for your district and club.
The framework is Operation Pollination, which is an ESRAG initiative. ESRAG is Rotary's Environmental Sustainability Rotary Action Group.
The objective of Operation Pollination is to protect pollinators throughout the globe. Population of insects is dropping dramatically, and we need to take action.
Operation Pollination can be done anywhere in the world, and it follows the Rotary four-way test.
Insects have been called the little things that run the world, and they truly are.
Insect pollinators are responsible for the success of more than 85% of the plant species on our planet, including much of the food we eat.
Did you say 85%? That's a lot of green.
Scientific data tells us that across the globe, in the last 50 years, insect populations have declined more than 40%.
If this downward trend continues, Earth will not be able to sustain people or any living thing as we know it today.
Earth won't be the healthy place that we want our children or our children's children to inherit. Please join Operation Pollination.
To get involved with Operation Pollination, you first sign online unless you want to hold an in-person signing ceremony with a real piece of paper, which people often do want for publicity purposes.
Simply go to ESRAG, ESRAG.org/operation-pollination. Your district governor signs the non-binding Pollinator Resolution found there that says,
insect pollinators are essential for life on Earth.
That insects are in decline around the world.
And Rotary is a take action organization that can actually do something about it.
Next, your club president signs a simple pledge that states what your club plans to do to protect pollinators, like
collaborate with community partners to plant flowers at their sites, or
hand out seed packets to kids in school, or
plant flowers for pollination and save bees, or
help other organizations restore land, or
plant a pollinator garden, or
when possible, please plant native plants for native pollinators, or
join a pollinator organization, or
consider reducing or stopping use altogether of harmful insecticides, or
plan a community event to celebrate pollinators, or
ask an artist to paint a pollinator mural on a community building just to educate people, or
you can look up on the web a list of other easy-to-do pollinator project ideas.
Please consider joining this growing worldwide Rotary Pollinator movement today. Simply go to the ESRAG, ESRAG.org/operation-pollination website today.
I do like to eat, and I bet you do too.
As anthropologist Margaret Mead said, never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it's the only thing that ever has.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And in case you're wondering, I'm just like you. I like to eat too. So thank you for considering Operation Pollination as a low-cost, easy-to-implement, but high-impact project framework for you.